Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Goa Lokayukt Justice P.K. Mishra has now passed an order directing the Chief Secretary of Goa and the Anti-Corruption Branch to register an FIR against former minister and now old Goa MLA Pandurang Madkekar in the disproportionate assets case that was filed by me against him around 2 years ago. After hearing the matter on July 24th, Justice Mishra had reserved his order and has finally passed an 15-page order today directing that the FIR be registered against Pandurang Madkekar in the disproportionate assets case. Despite all the evidence being given to the anti-corruption branch, just because Pandurang Madkekar was then our minister, the anti-corruption branch refused to register the FIR against Pandurang Madkekar, and that is the reason I had to go before the Lok Ayukta. So after a very long fight, I'm finally, it should be a final relief to the people of Goa that Lok Ayukta has finally ordered that FIR be registered, because all the disproportionate assets acquired by Pandurang Madkekar and so also every other politician needs to be acquired and seized by the Goa government. So the anti-corruption branch cannot pick and choose. They have to go against every person with disproportionate assets. It cannot be that they leave alone the ruling politicians and try to go after the opposition MLAs and opposition politicians. So the message is very clear. The Lok Ayukta has given a very reasoned order today, and that order the anti-corruption branch, I hope, will comply with, and the Chief Secretary will comply with, and register the FIR and probe all this illegal wealth acquired by Pandurang Madkekar and so also all other politicians.